Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Step into the world of modern elegance and explore the latest trends in home decor with contemporary dining room design ideas. Embrace a fusion of functionality and style as you embark on a journey to transform your dining space into a masterpiece of sophistication. Contemporary design often emphasizes clean lines, sleek surfaces, and harmonious blend of textures and materials. Experiment with bold color palette or opt for minimalist approach to create a space that reflects your unique taste. Consider incorporating statement lighting fixtures that not only illuminate your dining area but also serve as eye-catching focal points. Mix and match furniture pieces to add a dynamic and electric touch, combining comfort with aesthetic appeal. Explore the use of natural elements such as wood and stone to bring warmth and authenticity to the space. Integrate innovative storage solutions to maintain a clutter-free environment while maximizing functionality and brands. Open concept layouts that promote a sense of awareness and fluidity, allowing for seamless transition between different areas of your room. With contemporary dining room design ideas, you have the opportunity to curate a space that only not meets the demands of modern living but also reflects your personal style in every detail. Upgrade your home decor and make a lasting impression with a dining area that embodies the essence of contemporary sophistication. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.